Extensions Nigeria, and I'm going to be showing you guys basically how the professionals install a lace wig here. So I always do my hair myself, I never go to a salon, but today I'm going to let these guys show me what they've got. The wig I'm going to be installing is from Asteria Hair. I've been wearing it now for almost 2 weeks. Look at that. I'm going to let them install it, see how they do it, see if there's any tips and tricks and hints that I can pick up. I'm also going to have them style the hair for me, just so I see its full potential. My sister's shooting a music video tomorrow, so I want to be looking my best. So yeah, that's the hair. There you go. You can see that, guys. A silk closure gives the impression of a very natural scalp. I'm ready.
Just to wear the wig
and have it styled.
Okay.
Yeah, so
I'll call the stylist to do that.
Okay, so you're gonna lay it and then somebody else will style it?
No, I just helped you get the wig out.
Oh,
so
okay.
I'll get the stylist for you.
Okay, thank you. Forward. I've got a big forehead. No, forward. Forward. Listen. Yeah, it's fine. Thank you. Get me another glass of white wine. What product is that? Thank you. Okay. This one is the spray or the gel?
Spray.
That one feels like gel now.
Yeah, it looks like.
Because I sprayed them, I want to make it thick.
Ah, okay. Do you mind if I show the camera? Thank you. I've never seen that done before. Guys. So you spray it and you let it get thick. How long does it take to get thick?
Like
10 minutes. Ah, I'm gonna try that at home. Thank you. Sure you don't want me to pull it forward? You must do what you have to do now. That's alright. Pretty light. I think it's this one. You know, open this shop. If you have that one, you should have a baby wipe to remove the excess. Okay, thank you. But you can clean off my own now. You need to get the thing. Please help me clean that part. Not yet, so you know it's not easy to be visible. Just 1 hour. I will think I'll do my nails on another day. How long will it take to style the hair? No 1 hour. 40 minutes. So 40 minutes.
It's only the two of us.
Yeah, so it'll be quicker. Less than 40 minutes. Okay, you wait. Okay, where's money? Is she far?
I don't know. Put the address on the computer.
Yeah, it looks good to me. You want change? Very flat. I'll appreciate. Yeah. Well, if you do it flat, then you can lift it up a bit because that one is always sticking off. So annoying. Then you have to start washing, and I'm lazy. I don't like to wash my hair.
That's small.
Yeah, it's very small. I don't know about this one, but I want the treatment I did. It's very good, this one. Okay, let me see. If you convince me, I'll buy it.
Is it high enough? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's good. Perfect. I like it. It's very flat. Thank you. Something's so here. Things, I have so many oils at home. I don't know. Is that mask that I really like?
Mask in your house.
I do. Sounds like a good party
I was
shop.
suspecting maybe the audience players or bisexuals.
Maybe you never know.
Just no guy. The only guys are three. Me, the shisha guy, and the DJ.
But it could be a girls' night in.
Yeah,
You have to enjoy yourself, but the female strippers is where me I'm confused. Maybe there's no male strippers in Nigeria.
Yeah, they are.
There are.
Yeah. Because in Kenya, that's their base. We don't really have them here on the island. We have more ladies here on the island.
Thank you guys.
Hi, thank you.
Come on, come down.
I don't
Both of you at the same time. My superstar team. Thank you.
Hope you like it.
I love it.
What should we help you to?
Oh no, I'm fine now.
Are you done with the cup?
Let me finish it. No, I like alcohol. But I need to, my bill. If you get my bill for me. So guys, this is the final product. That, darling. How good does that look? Okay, so don't forget guys, this is Asteria Hair. I'll give you my final thoughts when I get home, but trust me when I say I'm impressed. The hair will be linked in my description box. Check it out. Hey guys, so I wanted to come to My Extensions Nigeria and show you guys if there's any difference between you styling your hair at home or getting your wig installed in a salon, and I've got to say there was a very big difference. Oh my god, this wig is so secure. They did such a bomb job. Even the curls, I'm super impressed, and they had nothing but good things to say about my wig from Asteria Hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for a luxury salon in Nigeria, I can definitely recommend My Extensions Nigeria. So the hair is bomb, we are looking good, we are feeling good. I'll catch you guys in the next one.